Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So it didn't last long. I went ahead and I reapplied the gloss black overlays on the wheels here, as you see. I liked it without it, but I don't know, just with the theme I'm going for, with the blacked out badges and all the black parts I'm putting on it, it feels like it was missing. So I just reapplied them here. I had ton of sets extra left over that I have, so it took me, I would say, 30 minutes to reapply these. Not hard at all, and now we know that it won't damage the wheel finish or anything like that, so it'll be good. So if you guys are thinking about it, I'd highly recommend it. For 79 bucks for a set of these, it's really the best way to go compared to spending thousands for new wheels. And then if you don't like it, you rip it off and then but I do like the black wheel look. So when I eventually want to invest in a set of wheels, I'll definitely get black wheels, but for right now this works, and definitely change the look of it. So I just want to share that with you guys. It was my quick thing I did. I took it off and showing you how it protected the wheels. They look brand new, so now I just put them back on. So you can even change the color if you want a different vinyl. Okay? So if you haven't, check out Cool Tint 604 on eBay. That's where I picked them up. Great products and great customer service. I appreciate it. Okay, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks again.